This is a customer case. The cutout and the color are all customized. It's a new and hot selling product. The bottom of the shell is stripped to help dissipate heat. Now I will show you how to disassemble. There are 4 screws totally. To save time, we only put 2 screws on. Then gently push the inner shell. The inner and outer shell can then be separated. So this is the inner shell. And this is the outer one. So stylish and smooth touch. It's very easy to disassemble. Do you know how to take it apart now? So see you next time.